This is Billy Smart Circus coin pusher by KW Systems Ltd. This was made in the United Kingdom and it was imported by Cromptons from New Jersey, and it's here at the Skylon Tower and it's been rebuilt and it looks really good. Everything is working. So I've got some tokens up here and I'm going to try playing this. Don't think I did too good on that one. Trying to push the ones off the edge here. I've got about $3 in tokens and we're going to see if we can get anything out of that. Oh, I got one. Doesn't look like I've got anything off the edge yet. I got two, maybe. I'm gonna try putting it in the middle slot now. Oh, there's one. This is a really nice coin pusher. There we go. There we go, I got something. There we go, two more. Let's see where it goes. Oh, it's right on the edge. Okay, one more token. Let's see if this is the lucky token. Oh, I got one more. Well, I don't think I won too much off of this, but it was really fun playing it and it's a really nice machine.